Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is another early currant we have called Minaj Smyriou. And I hope I didn't get the name mispronounced too badly there. This is a new plant for us, but it's prolific for the amount of vegetation that it's got on it. It's putting out quite a bit of fruit. And this plant was the reason I netted the currant and gooseberry field we have here, is because I saw birds in this specific bush. So that's one thing it's got going for it, is that the birds preferred it. It was the first black currant they went after. So it's both early and tastes great. The berries are medium size and they're ripe. One of the earliest ones to be ripe here. And they're relatively mild, which is one thing I like in a currant, unless it's in a jam or, you know, we find the currants to be quite tart. But I can see if if you grow up with this kind of thing, it'd be great. I just didn't acquire the taste when I was young. This is Minaj Smyriou. It is a relatively early black currant that has a nice mild flavor to it. And but it'd also be not only good for fresh eating, but good for jams, and if you want to cook it in something like a pie or a crumble, it'd be great as well.